We're back in Decatur, Texas today, and this time we're providing the PA for a speech at a high school. It's 1,000 students, which is more than we can really handle, but when the client told me that last year they had one Yorkville speaker on a stand, I felt like I could do better than that. He knows the limitations of the system and that it won't be perfect, but we're both confident it'll be better than last year. I'm gonna start pushing. I'm not going in. Thank you, though. Space is probably way too big for us. You mean probably? Uh-oh, where did that come from? A nut fell off. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Does that mean you'll have to go not as far in the car?
Nah, I mean, I still need to get it over there somehow. Woo! Scared and I don't know what any of this shit is. That's just not worth messing with. Too short. Is that power over here? Is it open? Perfect. Let's test this one. It's not grounded.
Okay.
So there was an open ground on that circuit and the ground over there and the floor over there. So we're not using that one. We're just gonna have to go across the stage, and we should probably tell the school about that. These might even be replaced.
So you're not daisy chaining?
I am. I'm just gonna daisy chain these two.
So that's gonna go across.
This one's just going to this guy.
Where are you going next?
I think that side?
Does it matter which speaker you make speaker number 1?
No. Throwing this down.
So it's just this is the daisy chain.
Yeah. All right, let's get this rest of this stuff going. Pretty sure we're just gonna be down here.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's gonna be upset that these are in the way.
They're currently in the way.
Okay, yeah, it's just for a couple of people.
For the most part, I don't think it's really feasible.
Oh boy.
Train.
No. Hey, check, check, check. Hey, hey. Whoa. There's a lot of reverberance in here. I'll tell you. 1, 2, 3, check. Hey, hey. How you doing? Good. Check. 1, 2.
We don't have any kids running on the gym today.
Okay, we had to go. That floor outlet, not that it matters really to you, is ungrounded. So
Oh.
that's why we have this going straight down the middle. So he needs to
Like
just.
you said, there's always problems.
What do you think? Is that about even? What do you think?
I think we're good.
How many of you would like to win $200? Didn't ask you to talk? Put them down? So if I were to say 200 penguins, you go to the zoo and look at a bird. $200, if you listen and say yes. Everybody say wow. Say wow backwards. I'll be 73 years old in March. I'm not on steroids. This is all natural. I'm not on steroids, but I do have hemorrhoids. Here's the... Okay, that wouldn't be wow, that would be Al.
I know, I was worried.
Listen and say yes.
Adeptus Astartes. Yep. Gotta do something about that. Oops. That's annoying. Is that what your school sounded like? What did your school sound like? Saved by the bell. Bill the ball. Is that it? Cheese.